everyone! Welcome back to Smart English Channel, the place where learning English feels simple, fun, and full of good vibes.
Exactly. I'm James, and this is Emma, and today we're talking about something that inspires everyone, dreams and goals.
Yes! Whether your dream is to travel the world, become fluent in English, or start your own business, this lesson will help you talk about it in English and think about it in real life.
So, sit back, grab your coffee, and get ready to practice English while we explore what dreams really mean. Emma, what was your dream when you were a child?
That's easy. When I was little, I wanted to be a teacher. I used to sit with my dolls and pretend they were students. I even gave them homework.
Sounds serious already. My childhood dream was to be a pilot. I wanted to fly across the world and see new countries every week.
That's amazing. Did you ever take flying lessons?
Not yet, but it's still on my list. You know, some dreams take time, but that's okay. The important thing is to keep them alive.
Exactly. Learners, your dreams don't have to be big to matter. Maybe your dream is to speak English confidently or to get a good job. Start small. Even reading one page of English every day can be a step toward that dream.
Yes, remember this phrase. Little by little, a little becomes a lot. Every small effort adds up over time.
You know, James, most people dream a lot, but only a few actually take action.
That's so true. It's easy to say, I'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. That's called procrastination, right?
Exactly. Procrastination means delaying what you should do now. For example, if you say, I'll study tomorrow, and you keep saying it every day, that's procrastination.
And the problem is procrastination steals time. There's an English saying, procrastination is the thief of time. It means when you keep waiting, you lose opportunities.
That's a great one. So, learners, here's a tip. If your dream is to learn English, don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference.
Absolutely. Think of it like going to the gym. If you work out once a month, nothing changes. But if you go regularly, even for short sessions, you'll see progress.
Consistency is the key. So, learners, let's practice a sentence together. I will take one small step every day toward my dream. Say it out loud.
Nice. Speaking it helps your brain remember it.
Okay, James, let's be honest. Chasing dreams isn't easy. Sometimes things go wrong, and it feels like the world is testing us.
You're right. When I started giving public speeches, my first one was terrible. I forgot my lines, my hands were shaking, and my voice cracked. I felt so embarrassed.
Oh, I've been there. When I started making YouTube lessons, I spoke too fast, made grammar mistakes, and nobody watched. I thought about quitting many times.
But look at you now. You improved because you didn't give up.
Exactly. I learned from my mistakes. There's a quote I love. A smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. It means tough times teach us the most valuable lessons.
That's powerful. And learners, when you fail or struggle, don't think you're moving backward. You're learning how to move forward.
Yes, sometimes failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it.
So, next time you make a mistake while speaking English, don't feel bad. Every mistake is proof that you're trying, and that's how you grow.
Exactly. Mistakes mean progress.
You know, Emma, I've noticed something interesting. People often chase dreams that don't really make them happy.
That's true. Some people think success means having lots of money or fame. But if you're not happy or at peace, is that real success?
Good question. I think success is more about purpose, doing something that gives your life meaning.
I agree. Real success is when your work, your dreams, and your heart all connect. For example, a teacher who inspires her students may not be rich, but she changes lives every day. That's powerful.
Exactly. There's a phrase in English: success is not about the applause you get, but the difference you make.
Beautiful. So, learners, think for a moment. What kind of dream would make your heart feel full, not just your wallet?
Yes, that's your real dream, the one that makes you feel alive and proud.
And you know what? Every dream has seasons. Sometimes you run fast, sometimes you walk, sometimes you just rest. But the most important thing is don't stop.
Well said. Dreams don't die, people just stop believing in them.
So learners, promise yourself today, don't stop believing. Even if progress feels slow, keep going.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
Sure. 1. Dream big, but start small. 2. Set goals and take small actions every day. 3. Don't fear mistakes. They help you grow. 4. Define success in your own way, not by what others think.
Perfect summary.
And remember, you can use today's conversation to practice your English. Talk about your dream like this. Darrow arrow, my dream is to become a doctor. Darrow arrow, to reach my dream, I study a little every day.
Exactly. Practice speaking those sentences out loud. It'll build your confidence.
And if you want extra practice, write in the comments below. What's your dream? What's one small step you can take today?
We love reading your comments. They show how serious you are about learning English and about your life goals.
Before we say goodbye, here's something I want you to remember. Every expert was once a beginner. Every teacher was once a student. And every dream started with one simple thought: I can.
That's right. So whatever your dream is, don't wait for permission. Start today, believe in yourself, and one day you'll look back and say, I did it.
Beautifully said, James.
Thank you, Emma, and thank you, learners, for joining us today.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because together, we'll keep learning, keep growing, and keep dreaming big.
See you in the next lesson, only on Smart English Channel.